Hey guys, Satif here from Pakistan. How are you all doing? I hope you're all well. Just wanted to show you my workshop setup. Small workshop. It's about 50 by probably around 16 feet. It's got some good height, so I've managed to use one of these storage racks, converted them into a mezzanine, so I have another floor level on top to store all the wood and all the plywood. This is my clamps rack or clamping tower. On the bottom I have all my different vice and my paint guns and some old wheels. This is my modified Makita table saw. The fence is not that great, but still trying to work on it to make it a bit more better and make it more accurate. Then I also have my router plate, and underneath, if you see, I have the I don't know what this is called, but I had ordered this from the US. It's got my dust collection port, and then I have also added an on-off safety switch. And then I have made this metal table with storage underneath for all the works that are going on. Some of my metal cutting, or one of my metal cutting machines. And then this is the tabletop that I use for cutting all the sheet goods. And this I made today because having these hoses on the floor while working is a tripping hazard, so I decided to make this arm, which not only holds the vacuum hose, also the electrical hose, and it gives me lighting at the bottom of, on top of the table. These are all my different hand planes, chisels, all different types of hand tools, squares, levels. And on this section is all where all the paints are. On top is where I store my lumber, and then this is a retractable air hose that I can use for connecting my nail gun to it and tuck 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 use the nail gun or cleaning up the table. Shop speakers. And then this is my tool trolley. It's got all the different tools on it, and everything has its own place, so try to keep it as organized as possible. Charging station and the drill bits. And this is one set over here. I've got another set in another part of the workshop. With the bench grinder, all my sanding machines at one place. This thing is in a mess right now. This is where all my angle grinders are for all my metal works. And then inside is my store where I have all the smaller parts like the nails for the nail guns, all different sizes, scroll saw, and a lot of other equipment. This cabinet is dedicated for all my router bits, the router machines, and all its accessories. And then this one has the boxes for all the drills. Inside here is my DeWalt what do you call it, biscuit jointer. And then all different other machines also are inside here, including multi-saw. Then this is my printer, laser printer, and all this is a lot of junk. Everything needs to get sorted out. Small coffee station, water, drinking water area, sandwich maker is gone. Well, I think I left that at home. Sofa for relaxing when you are exhausted. These also have a lot of junk inside it. Mostly hand gloves, working gloves, you know, the disposable type. This is my going on site toolbox. It's got all the dedicated tools inside it. This is a folding table I had made recently. I think you guys must have seen it on the Facebook group. So basically the top detaches very easily. It is heavy, but still working on a better design, but the base actually folds into each other. So it's almost taking up only around 4 square feet. So 4 feet by 1 feet in depth of floor space. This is the Makita bandsaw. This is my second drill bits collection. The welding machine, another vacuum machine, another vacuum machine over there, my air compressor, and then the chop saw. And this one is a local manufactured, made in Pakistan jointer combination with a planer thicknesser, and then it's got another 2 more components where you can have a milling machine, and on this section is a shaping machine. I removed the heads basically because it just comes too much in the way, and this is where all the scrap lumber is, and on top of that is all some other junk. Air conditioner pipes. There's even got a pool filter at the back. So yeah, pretty much it. Dig it.